This morning in our weather, if you're going to be heading out, something that's different, and I'm sure many people are, unaware of, we do get rain in Ohio. We haven't seen a lot of it as of late. We've been dealing with some drought conditions, and I'm sure, Clay and I, we've been talking about just how crunchy our lawns have been.
More like
competition?
complaining.
Yeah, mine's like I know, just like old man complaints, I guess. But, a lot of us have been dealing with some...
old men?
Basically.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Like the two guys from the Muppets.
Yeah. We haven't seen much rain in the forecast for us, unfortunately. We do have it now, but of course it's coming during your Thursday morning commute. Wanted to start with this quick time lapse here so you can see a little bit of moisture there on the roads, and so a little bit of sheen out there. The lights obviously bringing a bit of a glare there, but we did see a few light showers pass through Licking County this morning. We'll see more than that today, so you definitely want to keep that umbrella handy for us. Those showers and storms are going to be picking up as we head into this afternoon, but good news is drying out just in time for the weekend. So your morning checklist: took off the sunglasses today, swapped it out for the umbrella, something you certainly will need, if not this morning, later today. The light jacket might need that, but all in all, it's actually pretty similar to the feel yesterday, so you could probably have what you had on yesterday, other than, again, bringing the umbrella. If you don't have that, the raincoat. Some showers and storms developing into western Ohio. That has been slow going. This is a quick loop over the past hour. Most of the rain that we've been tracking has been actually out towards eastern Ohio, picking back up in parts of northern Licking County, over Fairfield County, Lancaster area. You'll likely see a few of these light showers pass through within the next 20 to 30 minutes. South and east over towards Perry County, just south around New Lexington area. We'll continue to see some pockets of heavy rain. Most of this is pushing out to the east, but off to the west, we're starting to see some of that light rain pick up over towards Dayton. You can see we do also have a stray shower now picking up for the first time right over in Madison County, just south of I-70. That'll likely be in Franklin County on the west side of town within the next half hour. Currently here in Columbus, because we're looking at cloudy skies, temperatures aren't budging much. Low 60s to start. Winds are generally light out of the east-southeast, so dew points are a little bit higher than what we've been dealing with lately. So for the most part, feels still comfortable, but considering how dry it's been, it might feel a little bit muggy out there. Pretty much everybody across the state hanging out on either side of 60 degrees. And as far as those rain chances picking up for us, I'm thinking after sunrise through the mid-morning, so maybe perhaps as you're already at work, most of the showers and storms will then start to pick up for us, but we still have some heavy rain and some frequent lightning that could be then possible as we head into this evening, where again, it's not going to be a washout for the day. Hopefully you see a little bit of rain in the backyard, but it's looking like for the most part, a lot of this rain is going to be wrapping up by around 6 o'clock here in town. Still looking at a few heavy downpours in spots out to the east going into the early part of the night. Then looking like temperatures are going to be falling eventually back into the low 60s as we head into your Friday morning, which by the end of the day have seen some updates and changes with our models with the amount of rain we could be looking at. But for the most part, we'll see anywhere from 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. And then again, some places hit or miss, might not be seeing much as far as measurable rainfall. Tomorrow, the only thing impacting us weather-wise will be the fact that we have some dense fog possibly forming, especially if you happen to see some rain today going into tonight. With the clearing skies eventually and some cooler weather, looking like we could see some patchy to dense fog. This map's showing visibility in miles. Anything less than 2 is noticeable. Anything less than a 1/4 to a 1/2 mile is very dense, and that looks like that's going to be most likely through around 7, 8 o'clock, right around sunrise. After an hour, that's when it's going to be most dense, and then by 10, 11 o'clock, things will be clearing up nicely for us. We'll see more clouds and sun for your Friday, but things will be pretty nice to wrap things up for the work week. 1st and 10 forecast, obviously looking very nice again for every single week now, and then the weekend looking pretty nice as well. Highs in the upper 70s, near 80 degrees, and then looking warm and sunny heading into the first week of October. Now,